Okay, so in this video we're going to see how we can use shared maps in X-ray. The shared map is a technique that we can use to bake a single object and share its light map and SSS map over any other object in the scene. So for example here I've only baked one of these objects and just shared its lighting and SSS over all of the other objects in the scene, and you can see that they all looked very good. Or another example would be a scene like this. Here, this is the actual bush that I baked, and you can see that the light map UV looks something like this. Now, if I wanted to bake this one, which is a tree copy of the same object, if I wanted to bake this one, the light map would be very small, and I had to increase the light map resolution a lot. So instead of that, I just baked this one object and then shared the light map and SSS over this other object, and same goes for this one as well. And even the buildings, because the scene is lit with a sunlight, the light direction is the same for most of the objects. So these two buildings are also the same. I only baked one of them and shared the light into the other. Same goes for the windows and all of these other components, and also these parts, and even the lights. So let's get started. So here we're going to work on this scene. We're going to make this grass field look from this to this, which I think looks absolutely great. Even when you get up close, the subsurface and all of that is looking very good. So let's actually remove the grass. I'm also going to flatten the plane, and this is our actual mesh. Let me remove that one as well. So I have assigned a Arnold standard surface material with subsurface enabled. I also enabled the Team Vault, which made the baking look something like this. I'm not going to rebake this, but if you bake this object, it is going to end up something like this. If you want to, you can also scatter some other, let's do some copies around it, and then bake this object to make sure that it casts shadow on all the other grass strands around this group as well. But I'm going to just leave it as it is. Now let's create let's say a mesh. I'm going to set distribute to mesh, and then assign my plane to the input mesh. Now let's just increase it. Maybe too much. And let's add a random. Okay, so now all I need to do is select this mesh object, and then my main grass, which should be this one, and press the share map, share light map. And after that I'm going to do the same, going to select these two, and then share SSS. And it now look something like this. Now if we look closely, you can see that the UV is not assigned correctly, and that is because if we take a look at here, this is what our light map UV look like, which is seems to be wrong. So inside our grass, make sure if you faced something like this, make sure to just copy this light map UV over your first UV set as well, because when using mesh, it sometimes can't import both light maps properly. So now we can see that it looks the way we want. I can also add my height map again. go to our mesh, use up vector to make sure they all face upward. Yeah, just like that. And I have another example here, which is this one. And this one also is animated, and instead of mesh I use Bifrost for this one. And I also used SharedMaps for these lines and these electric poles. And that is pretty much it.